Hey family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Mpho. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys yet another opportunity to start making money online. But before that, if you're new to the channel or happen to be in this video for the first time, welcome and thank you for watching. I share content on how to make money online, and if this is the type of content you are looking for, then you're in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. And also thank you to everyone that is returning for yet another video. Your support is highly appreciated. Now, without wasting any more time, let's just dive into today's video. Now, in today's video, we're going to be looking at this website right here called Sumo. This is how their homepage looks like. As you can see here, it says innovation powers growth. It further says Sumo helps companies crowdsource breakthrough ideas and insights from a global community of creative problem solvers. So here they've got current challenges and solved challenges, which we're going to be looking at in a later stage. So when we go down, here is the Mind Sumo journey. They've got 4 points here. The first point says challenges are launched. Challenges are created with expert assistance from Mind Sumo to ensure success. Number two says problem solvers submit ideas, engage problem solvers based on skills, location, experience, and other criteria. Number three says challenges are reviewed. Submissions are rated and reviewed with assistance from dedicated challenge manager. The last one says problem solvers are rewarded. The best ideas or insight receive rewards distributed through the Mind Sumo platform, right? As we go to the bottom, these are the numbers on this website. So as you can see, this website has rewarded people over 1.3 million, right? And then the challenges that have been launched are over 1,300, and they are active in 200 plus countries. So you can simply come here and see if your country is available. These are the clients of Mansumo. As you can see, these are some of the biggest companies that we know of. And then for you to get started, you come here to where it says get started. Now here where it says create a challenge, it is for businesses, it is for companies that are looking for problem solvers. For me and you, people that are looking to make money with this website, we come here to where it says solve a challenge. So you're going to click there and then you're going to get directed to a page like this one where you're going to fill in your personal details. This is the registration. As you can see, you need to enter in your first name, your last name, your location, your email address, your password. And then as we go to the bottom, you need to enter in your date of birth, the year, the month, and the day. And then you need to enter in your gender, whether you're male or female. And then you're going to enter in your creativity skills. So you're going to say if you are average, above average, or below average. So there are different categories that you can choose from. And also your marketing skills, you can choose the category that you fall under. And then we've got technical skills, which you're also going to choose the category that you fall under, right? And then here they're just going to ask you a few questions. So here it says, why are you interested in using Mind Sumo? You can simply enter in your answer there, that you are interested in making money, you are interested in showing your creativity skills, or you are interested in solving problems. You can simply answer right there. And then they also ask, what type of project are you most interested in? If you are interested in technical project, you can simply enter them right there. Technical challenges, maybe you are interested in solving marketing challenges or marketing project, you can simply enter that right there. And then here they say personal reference name. So for personal reference name, it is for someone that's going to verify your problem solving capabilities. So as you can see, it says please list a personal reference who can verify your problem solving capabilities. So you're going to enter in that person's name and then also that person's reference. So they're going to do a follow up with that particular person to see if you can indeed solve problems. You are also going to either choose if you want to receive newsletters or updates about the website. You can either choose all of these options and then move on to the next step, which is verifying that you are not a robot, and then clicking sign up. After clicking sign up, you're going to be directed to their homepage, which looks like this. As you can see, I currently have $0 on my MindSumo account. So for you to get a project, you simply come here to where it says current project. So they're going to show you that are available on their website. So here, as you can see, it says share your creative ideas and get paid. So you're going to get paid for simply sharing your creative ideas. So here are active challenges. They've got two active challenges. The first one is from an anonymous company, and here they want to know all about smart homes, how they will look like in 10 years from now. So you can simply talk about that and then say your creative mind. You're going to get rewarded $800, which is going to be shared amongst people that are selected. And then we've got this one that is still active, and it's going to pay you 1,600. So this 1,600 is not dedicated to one person. This amount is dedicated to a certain amount of people that are going to be selected. So it is still active, and these other ones are still under review. And then as we go to the bottom, they've got surveys that we might be familiar with, and they've got completed challenges. So I'm just going to come here and maybe make an example with a completed challenge of how you're going to get paid. So I'm going to come to this anonymous company, click there, and then wait for it to load. So how are you going to get this 1,600? It will be divided like this. So as you can see here, it says top 10%, next 15%, next 25%. So top 10%, they're going to share $1,000. So top 10%, each person is going to get $55.60. Top 15%, they're going to share $400. Each person is going to get $14.90. And then we've got top 25%, they're going to share $200. Each person is going to get $4.60. Now, this website is available in most parts of the world. As you can see, I think I saw someone from South Africa here. Let me quickly see if I still see that person, just to show you guys that you can still apply, or you can still sign up to this website. So this person right here, I'm not sure if I'm allowed to do this, but either way, this person right here is from KwaZulu Natal, the University of KwaZulu Natal. So they have participated in the study that was done 2 months ago. So this is the platform that's going to pay you for your creative mind. If you've got any other question, kindly leave a comment down in the comment section. And also, if you found value in this video, kindly give it a thumbs up so that it can reach more people that are looking to make money online. Until the next video, take